Jayashree is a very talented girl. She has a many friends and all friends can speak in English very well. But Jayashree has a problem. She cannot speak in English so well. So she used to remain upset. Whenever she used to go bed, she always thinking that why is my English not improving? And once he go to the bed and he started to thinking and he saw a dream that someone can give her some tips how to speak in English. So my dear friend, if you have any type of problem like Jesse, then this video is for you. So everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita, and friends, today I'm going to share you some problem such as Jesse type. If you have this type of problem, then please watch the video till then, because this video is going to very helpful, very useful for everyone. So without any further delay, let's get into that point. But before going to the point, it's my humble request to all of you, please do subscribe my channel if you have not already subscribed it. So let's get into the point. So friends, my first point is here: start speaking as soon as possible. Okay, you can answer me that it how can you start speaking in English and from the first day? Yes, if you have if you have a passion to learn this language, then you should start to speak in English from the first day. Okay, because you can start speaking English with 2 or 3 sentences, used of 2 or 3 sentences. Just come here, go there, sit down, stand up, how are you, what is your name, what does your father do, what does your mother do, oh, make a breakfast, brush your teeth, comb your hair. Okay, so these types of little sentences makes you so confident in English. So first day you can start speaking English. So, and you can speak in English with anyone. If you have any friends, if you have any teacher, if you have anyone who has to willing to help with you, then you can start to speak in English with whom. And if you have no one, then don't worry, you should start to speak English with yourself. So here, what helps to start speaking English? So there are many helps. Okay, here I'm going to tell you one example. Okay, group A was studying using grammar and vocabulary exercises, and the group was learning by speaking using videos technology. Few months, what are the major difference between two groups? So there are big difference between two groups. Okay, the first group no develops so much, but grown B group has developed a lot their vocabulary, they develop their grammatically skills, their skills also improve this. Okay, they have gained more vocabulary, performs better in listening comprehension test. So were able to use grammar and were able to speak more confidently. Let's move on. Second tips. My second tips is here: reading out loud. Okay, maybe it is boring for you. Okay, I was feel bored, but after some time, but later I realized that it is very useful. Reading improves grammar and pronunciation. It improves our vocabulary. Reading out loud improves your spoken fluency. Reading improves writing skills. Reading improves your knowledge. Okay, makes you movies, then just start to read your movies. Okay, if you like some comics book, then you can start, then you should start to read some comics book. If you like any type of motivational stories, okay, then you can read these stories. So it helps you very much. Let's get our third tips. My third tips is here: fluency. Okay, from the first day, student concentrate how to become fluent in English. Okay, but do you think that it is a ultimate goal of learned English? Okay, I don't think within 3 months I want to be able to make small talk in common topics such as weather, bus, sports, tourism, etc. with your friends. And after 6 months, within 6 months, I want to be able to speak English, speaking with my friends and email them in English quickly without using a dictionary. Okay, after ninth month of learning English, I want to score at least 90% points in this exam so I can apply and get admission a good university. So this type of target you should make. So let's move on our fourth trick. The fourth trick is here: keep your personal goal in your mind. Okay, this is our fourth tip. And your girl is very good in English, so you can focus to love related words, phrases. So it helps you to, and it helps you confident in English. So learn sentences, okay, instead of words. Okay, because there are so many words. ये तो एक पूरा समंदर है, आप कितने वर्ड्स याद कर पाओगे? ओके, सो you should start to learn sentences. Okay, situation related sentences. Okay, just as you are बैकअप एंड योर पूरा होल डे, आपको होल डे में आपको डिस्क्राइब करना है. सो दिस इज योर डेली रूटीन को आपको सेंटेंसेस में इसको रख सकते हो. ओके, आई वेक अप अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग एंड देन आई go to the kitchen and make some tea. I wanted to start my morning journey with a hot tea. Then I brush my teeth, then I take my bath and I worship, and I left for the school. After coming from the school, I make my tea. And so these types of small sentences you can learn, because this is your daily sentences, daily habit routine. So you have to, you should have to learn these types of sentences. These types of sentences makes you so confidence. Sixth tips is here: sing along. Okay, you can sing any type of English song. Okay, if you feel boring, if you feel difficult to understand the English sentences, English song, then you can go to the Google and find some lyrics. Okay, and listen more and more, repeatedly listen. After some times you feel so confidence, and your English listening power is going to good, so you can sing along. Last tips is here: watch the TV. Okay, watching TV is helps you to improve your English very much. Okay, how can, what types of serial you can listen, you can watch? So there are some serials. I'm going to give you some serials names such as Friends, House, The Big Bang Theory. So these types of serials, these types of drama related activity helps you to improve your English. Okay, and if you don't understand these serials, then you can put on the subtitle in English and watch the TV. It helps you very much. So friends, here I gave you some tips how to speak in English step by step, and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like this video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Shri Ram.